looked down on in our society. I feel very, very, very sad because we Nicobis don't deserve the discriminations we are getting. My name is Amínہ. I'm 31 years old. I'm a Nicobi and I'm a shoemaker. People look down on us that have been there, and especially we that covers our face, we the Nicobites. They look down on us that the only thing we do is just we sit at home, we do nothing. I want to change that thinking. I want to change that perspective of we sitting down at home doing nothing. So I was like, okay, I want to do something more creative. I want to do something new, something a Muslim woman have ever done. So that's why I decided to go into shoemaking. A lot of people are surprised. Some look down on me. Those are surprised were like, wow, they've never seen this kind of thing before. They've never seen a Muslim woman, especially a Nicobite, doing such thing. And the other people look down on me thinking, okay, she's covering her face. What will she do? Let's see what she can do. My husband is supportive of everything I'm doing because no matter each time I want to do anything, I always seek his permission because that's what Quran says that whenever a Muslim woman wants to do something, a true Muslim woman should seek permission from my husband. So he's always supportive of everything I do. He patronizes me. So the only means of interacting with my male customers are they chat me on WhatsApp. We only talk strictly WhatsApp for the mail. I want other Muslim women out there to know that being a Niqabi, being a hijabi, there's no limit to what you can achieve in life. There's no limit. Covering yourself, fully covered, half covered, once you're a Muslim woman, as long as it is halal, it's not affecting your deen. It doesn't stop you from doing your righteous deeds. It doesn't stop you from praying. It doesn't affect you from doing things you should do as a Muslim woman. So I believe there's no limit to what you can achieve as a Muslim woman.